how to run the ANOVA. Very similar method here. Click on data analysis. Go up here. So we have a single factor ANOVA. All right. And we have our array here. We have several blood pressures in several different regions. I'm going to just select, I think there's about 198 in my case here. Yep, we're just going to select all these so we have equal sample sizes, ANOVA output. And you're going to have a similar thing here. You're going to have, so we have our mean and variance in these 7 different regions. You have your F statistic, and you have a p-value, and this is also significantly less than 0.05, and the critical F is 2.1. Our F is 22.10. So if the F statistic is greater than the critical F, then again you would reject the null. If the F statistic is less than the critical F, then you would not reject.